Welcome back to my channel, where I share valuable insights on the latest trends and innovative strategies in travel and e-commerce, helping us balance creativity with wise decisions. Get ready to embrace positivity and inspiration whilst increasing our online experience. Imagine the gentle rocking of the ship, the endless horizon, the warm sun on your skin, and the joy of earning a living while enjoying all of these. This is not just a daydream. It's a lifestyle that many have embraced, and you can too. Making money while cruising combines the thrill of travel with the practicality of earning a living. The potential for financial gain on the high seas is more than just a pipe dream. It's a reality for many, and it could be for you too. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide to making money while cruising. Scene script. First things first, you need to know your options. So, let's dive right into the ocean of possibilities that await you. One of the more common methods is through blogging or vlogging. You can share your experiences, insights, and tips about cruising with the world. This can be done through written posts or video content, depending on your preference. You can earn through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your links. Next up, we have stock trading. Yes, you heard it right. With today's technology, you can trade stocks from anywhere in the world, including the middle of the ocean. It does require some knowledge and experience, but the potential earnings can be substantial. Another viable option is remote work. Many jobs today can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. If you have a skill that can be used in this way, such as graphic design, writing, or programming, this could be a great opportunity for you. You can also promote products or services related to cruising through affiliate marketing on your blog, website, or social media. Earn commissions for every sale made through your affiliate links. Lastly, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, guides, or printables related to cruising, travel, or your expertise. Remember, these are just a few examples of the countless ways to earn money while cruising. The key is to find something that you enjoy and are good at, and then find a way to monetize it. Now that you know the various ways to earn, it's time to choose what suits you best. Choosing the right path is vital to your success. This is the mantra I'll be exploring in this segment. I've already discussed a few ways to earn money while cruising, but how do you decide which option is the best fit for you? It's all about aligning your skills, interests, and resources to find the perfect balance. Now let's consider your interests. If you're passionate about travel and love sharing your experiences, you might consider starting a travel blog or vlogging your journey. This option has the potential for great financial rewards, especially if you can build a large following. But remember, it's not as easy as it looks. It requires consistent content creation and a knack for engaging with your audience. In summary, each path has its own pros and cons. It's about finding the one that fits you best. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to prepare for your journey. Preparation is key to making money while cruising. As we embark on this part of our journey, let's delve into the steps you'll need to take to prepare for your chosen path. Now, if you've decided to set up a blog or a website, you'll need to start by choosing a platform. There are dozens out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Look for one that suits your needs and skill level. Once you've chosen your platform, start building your website. It doesn't have to be perfect right away, just get something up and running. You can always refine it as you go. Then, create engaging content that will attract your audience. It could be about your travels, your interests, or anything else you're passionate about. Remember, consistency is key. If you've chosen the path of stock trading, a different set of preparations is necessary. Start by educating yourself about the stock market. There are countless resources available online to help you understand how it works. You'll also need to set up a trading account with a reliable broker. Practice with virtual trading before you start investing real money. And always remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Perhaps you've decided to set up an online shop. Start by finding a product or service that you can offer. It could be something you make yourself, like handmade jewelry, or a service you can provide, like graphic design. Then, find a platform that allows you to sell your products or services. Make sure your shop looks professional and appealing to customers. And don't forget to promote your shop to attract more customers. No matter which path you choose, remember to be patient. Success won't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. But with the right preparations, you can make your dream of making money while cruising a reality. And there you have it. You've chosen your path, you've made your preparations, and now you're ready to embark on your journey. With proper preparation, you're now ready to start your journey and make money while cruising. Now, it's time to set sail and start earning. You've chosen your path, you've prepared for the journey, and now it's time to make that dream a reality. The key to earning while cruising is effective time management. Picture your day on the ship. You may be tempted to spend all your time at the pool or at the buffet or exploring the various ports. But remember, you're here to make money as well. Designate a specific time each day for your work. It could be early morning when the ship is quiet, or late at night when everyone else is at the disco. Find a comfortable spot, maybe the library, or even your own cabin, and get down to business. Now, maintaining a work-life balance is equally important. You didn't choose to work on a cruise ship to be cooped up in your room all day, right? So, make sure to set aside time for relaxation and exploration too. After all, life is all about balance. Maximizing your earnings while cruising requires a bit of strategy. If you've chosen a path like online freelancing, consider taking on more projects during the sea days when you have more time. If you're teaching a skill or a class, consider offering private sessions for an additional fee. The possibilities are endless. Remember, you're not just earning money, you're earning money while cruising. That's an opportunity not everyone gets. So, make the most out of it. Take advantage of the unique environment, the captive audience, and the freedom that comes with this lifestyle. But most importantly, enjoy the journey. After all, you're cruising on the vast, beautiful ocean, meeting new people, experiencing new cultures, all while making money. Making money while cruising is not just a dream, but a reality you can achieve. Let's recap the steps to making money while cruising. I started by introducing you to the concept of earning on the high seas, a prospect as exciting as it is lucrative. Next, we delved into the myriad of options available to you, from freelance work to running your own online business. The world truly is your oyster. We then discussed the importance of choosing a path that aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, passion fuels persistence. After choosing your path, we walked you through the necessary preparations for your journey. This includes getting your business in order and ensuring you have the right equipment and connectivity. Finally, we set sail, diving into the practicalities of earning while cruising. The open sea may be unpredictable, but with the right strategy, it can also be incredibly rewarding. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money while cruising. Remember, with the right choice and preparation, you can turn your cruising into a profitable adventure. Safe travels and happy earning. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to let me know you want more videos like this. Always remain positive. Cheers for now.